Welcome to this technical guide on the HP14DH. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The common issue experienced by HP14DH users is that the laptop dies unexpectedly within minutes of use. This can happen due to a failing battery that can't hold a charge anymore. If this problem isn't addressed promptly, it may lead to more significant issues, such as damage to the motherboard or permanent data loss. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the HP14DH. It's advisable to have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any screws. To begin, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Start by carefully inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam of the laptop base to release the clips, taking care not to apply too much force as this could damage the casing. Once you have access, locate the battery, which is usually situated near the base of the device, secured by screws. Remember to keep track of the screws you remove. It's a good idea to place them in a small container. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the battery, applying steady pressure and being cautious not to strip the screws. Then, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by pulling it straight out, ensuring not to tug on the wires excessively. At this point, you can remove the old battery and replace it with the new one. Align the new battery with the connectors and secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, making sure it's firmly attached. Before closing the device, double-check that all components are properly seated and that no tools are left inside. Finally, replace the back cover by pressing it down until all clips are securely fastened. Power on your HP14DH to ensure it's functioning correctly with the new battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly monitor your battery health and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods when it's fully charged. Ensuring proper ventilation can also help prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.